Hey YouTube family, happy Tuesday to you. But maybe you won't see this little cooking video until Wednesday. Been a few days now. How are you? I don't know if you don't miss me or any of you. I hope you're all doing good. We're still there, so on the journey of life. So once we are still on the journey of life, we have got to continue to hold up and to do the best that we can. You see the title already. I'm cooking some Jamaican curry goat, all natural. Yes, all organic, grass fed, and this one is ram goat. Look here, let me rinse these. These are some of the little things after we must practice. My water and something, I don't know what. I don't know if something with this pipe, but all the other kitchen pipes in here them are run good. So I'm gonna try rinse off this. Always try to take the garbage them to one side. These are clean, my scallions are clean. I wash them and kind of get them blow out before I put them in the fridge. Sentence just scallion. Yes, as I was saying, these are my free and cut up for season my mutton. I did wash my scallions, but it's still no matter, it's not too much. When they just came, I washed them and kind of make them kind of blow out, open them out on the freezer top and the fan blow them, and then I bag them. But you know, I always do the extra rinsing. So let me get this out the way. I may have to look a piece a long time scallion. I don't know what's happening family with me and water. Water no. I don't know what is happening with me and water. Yes, as I was saying, I keep smelling shoe polish. I don't know why. I'm smelling like, shoe polish. I don't know what's happening. Oh, so yes. May I cook my mutton. This is ram goat meat though. Doing some mutton, Jamaican curry mutton, and white rice. So, I do my free and. So I was saying to you, it doesn't matter once you're still here. Depend on the race of life, in the race of life, you have to do what you do. You see what I say? So I'm here too. I've got a lot on my plate. A whole lot. More than I can eat, more than I can handle. And guess what? Normally when you have a lot on your plate and you can't handle it alone, some people would want some. But this one I have on my plate, nobody don't want it. It's all money spending, so nobody wants it. Okay, family, camera girls, say hi now.
Hi guys.
Yeah, so I season up my mutton. I have some all kind of curry or so. That scallion, it's kind of, when it's something stale, but look here, I can't afford for something there. I can't afford for garlic, lots of garlic. I can't afford for throw my scallion and something then. So I was saying, I have all kind of curry here, but guess what? Honest to God right now, I never cook curry once again because the curry then turned me off. And curry is something that I love. But that did some rice earlier, some white rice. So we ever eat yours with Camara Carl?
Probably the rice.
Eh?
Probably the rice.
Okay. That's why the rain set up. Family, it's so hot. It is so hot. Let me tell you, in Camera Girl, today act different, don't it? Today is different. It is just different, family. Lychee. Really? Lychee on camera, so everybody see me I got through. It's just disgusting. So I grate off my onion and I soon come back. I show now me finish rub up this thing. So family, I just cut up a little bit of green bell pepper. I just season it up a different way. I just do it and I have the iron. I think somebody's sheppy. yes, did say to me more than a year ago if I could show them on the cooking channel how to curry mutton without burning the curry. Some people don't like to burn the curry. You don't have to, but me personally, me like burn it. But it doesn't matter. If you know how to cook it, you don't have to burn. But me don't know, me just burn it, you know. Especially for chicken and so. I'm going to want story, so while I go now, my chopper. No, me not have no chopper in my kitchen. I have to go look at chopper. I can't do without chopper. So, had this chopper from I was doing lunches and so. I have my chopper here good. I tell you why. Some days. So, this goat I had, we went to the country to get this goat. Fresh, nice grass-fed goat, ram goat. So, I get half of it. So, my one, that's like one half side. If anybody know when, you know, them butcher goat, and we get one half side. I will share it up and give away half. And we took home one half for ourselves. So, that no, I try chop up some of it. Let me forget it. There goes piece of the chopper, darling. Drop out. Oh, no, piece of it, so. Just had to throw that out. So I use some of that better for curry, I know. Yeah. I think this is about 3.5 pounds of mutton. So I love my curry strong, yeah. So I put it in there, that better pack, yeah. But guess what? Me not take no chance. Still I put in look turmeric with it. You see? Still I put in look turmeric. Like that with it. So family, I have this curry. My friend sent me a lot of curry. This curry has a pretty color. I know it's Indian curry, but there's a smell in it when I like it raw. Comment and tell me if you ever get any curry raw. So I have it long time. I want to use it. You that know that Debbie don't want to use them. I say what happened to it? I tell. So and it look like it seemed to me as if it's not properly processed, because all the what that thing there, bay leaves, big piece of bay leaf them in it. So it came in a packet and I emptied it. But it has this pretty color. I like this is an Indian curry. But mama, your girl, me not take no chance with it. This is a homemade thing that I my grind for my little homemade thing. You know what I say? Yeah. So I put some of it in there. So my greater scale, my greater onion, garlic, ginger. I hand chopped, free hand chopping some bell pepper and this scotch bonnet. Yeah, I put in like a black pepper now. And this thing here, this little thing here, not a all back goat, you know. Yeah, and I'm gonna put in a little salt. I don't know, I just feel like I miss something. I don't know why. I'm not putting a word for salt right now. I don't know why. I think I'm missing something. I am not sure. But look here. I'm not gonna use this spoon. I just want to get a piece of meat. Take off this curry off the spoon. So, yeah, tell you much. It's sitting. But I may tell you. So, here we go now. Let me rub it in to see if me ever want more curry. Because the woman like my curry strong, you know. Feels a little dry. Camera girl, pass the oil back for me. Let me just moisturize it with a little. Because I didn't leave the mutton for drain. So I just put a little oil. Oops, that is good enough. Nothing they want, but I think that's okay. We just give it a little, yeah, you know, see it? That I can't angle myself, yeah. Look on it, don't comment and tell me. You think I'm a girl? Like I put enough curry. So this is the method that I use. And I think I might have to do some curry sitting, mutton or chicken video on the cooking channel. Because Sheppy had asked for me to show them how to cook mutton a different way, not burning the curry and all of them something. So look, me I rub it up and it I just spray so I get the right. This has the right look, but I just spray so I get the finishing color. But if not, nothing wrong. But I just want to do something. So I go rub it up, and you know, say I didn't me a cook. So I not go there forever. I go rub it up and leave it about half an hour. So half an hour time, I go look here. I don't know say a pressure cooker I use. Jamaica, me there. I have to use my pressure cooker because I can't bother with it. Maybe if this goat is young, so if I had started early, I could have slow cooked it in Jessie, but too late now. So look here. You see it? Yeah, I rub in the curry. Catch you, family. Yeah, about 20 minutes past. Me I put in a little oil there. You hear me cake over there boil up, because you know me have to have my something. And look here. You can't deal with that flimsy spoon, then you need the metal spoon. Irrespective of what people want to say, I have the grip. This is a stainless steel. All my spoons are my stainless. They might hold. Let me get my thing up. So, gonna comment and tell me if you don't feel like me have the right color, you know. See it here? Comment. It smells nice. You smell it, tomorrow, girl?
Yeah.
Yeah. It smells nice, man. Gonna comment and tell me. Somebody just rub in all of them. Look at something here. And I know this is wow. It smells so nice. And that little homemade this, I do have pimento in there. You see pimento seeds and crushed pepper, red pepper seeds, and all of them sitting there. Not having at it. Yeah, I'll put it in now. So you see, so I'm not burn it this time, family. Yeah, I can't do it without burning it. But show me just, me don't know. But I'm just doing it. This is not a tutorial though. So all who are on this channel can just, you know, they want to get it done in. So now, you're supposed to know yourself you're going to get the right color, you know. You see, this is the spoon you have to use when you can deal with the things. But I probably have a little more oil in there, not a lot. And for the people that don't want to use the oil, I just can't tell you what to use. Try to use what you think would suit you. Because some people have asked me, I know this is not, it's not a cooking channel. We just cook dinner and show them curry mutton. But what you think about this, family? This color look like, why? The curry them nowadays are giving me a hard time, family. So just go and start it out in a little, you know, try get it together with the heat and all of them something there. Stir it around. Yeah, my cake already over here, so rinse it out with this. Camera girl, stay clear. My head get hurt. Camera girl, you can cook some curry mutton one night time on the cooking channel.
I don't know how to do mutton.
You don't know how to do mutton, you know how to eat it? Why? Well, let me see, camera girl. That we have in my pot, mama. And look here, this is about, yeah, it's about 3.5 pounds of mutton. This, look here. I'm not cover it now with water because this meat is a young little meat and I eat that. Okay? So, see here on the comment and tell me what you think about the color. And maybe somebody's gonna tell me right now, Miss Debbie may prefer this method. But tell me what you think. Or is it that the curries that we are getting nowadays, them can't take the burning? Because me notice when you burn them, they get dark. First time you burn your curry and it good. What do you think, family? You think that the curry that we are getting nowadays, them just, I have saffron too. Pick up yourself, my girlfriend, she sent me a little thing of saffron. I can't find it. I wanted to put it in there. Because somebody did say why them now come with the right color. Because them not put no saffron in it, lad. Everything just get one kind of way. So look here. This is a very young goat, like a year old. And all of that. So look here. I'm not going to pressure it too high. I'm going to pressure it medium. Because this pressure cooker is, when I say powerful, I mean like seriously powerful. That's why I did the video with the pressure cooker on the cooking channel. Get to know your pressure cooker. So I bought it recently, you know that, less than a year ago. And I get myself adjusted to it now. So let me look on it now. I put a little teeny bit more. I just still sit there. I don't want to put no whole in because I don't want the thing mash out. So I put a little here. You know? And just make it something. So look here. YouTube family. I did some of it. So let us talk about this in the comment section. Is it that the curries, when the finished product is here, you will tell me, okay? If you think it's because something is lacking in the curries nowadays, so then can't take no burning, so we have to just cook it that way, yeah. I don't know. I'm waiting on the finished color. For me, me like my curry with a rich color. So look here. Me catch you now. So family, this is the finished. Me just open the pressure cooker. And you see it? So the gravy. I will never have no Irish. Yeah, I'm sounding a little hoarse right there in this part of the video. Yeah. I guess there says some curries powder they mix it with breadcrumbs. Comment if you know about that. I'm not sure. But some of them do when you use them. I don't know. So this is it. Let me go plate up some for you. When we return, we'll have some ready for you, and we'll be doing post notification shoutouts on the 2 last videos. So YouTube family, we are back, and this is what our curry mutton looks like. Perfect curry color in camera, girl. You can all comment. This is for you. I don't know who first will pick up this in the comment section. First time, white rice, green bananas, boiled green bananas, curry mutton. We never eat vegetable with it, but if it's so please, you can put your vegetable. A little throat thing went wrong off camera, family. So this is it. So what do you think? What do you think? Are we to stop burning our curries? Well, me I go do it again this time, and I'm gonna burn it. And me I gonna know if I burn where we are burn the curry. That simple mean something wrong. We can't burn the curry them no more. Because normally first time when you burn your curry and cook it, this is the perfect color that you would get. So shoot them up, camera girl. Shoot them up. Grass-fed ram goat curry mutton, Jamaican style. I hope you do enjoy this dinner. Who is the first person to pick it up in the comment section should be a part of the post notification shout out group. Now camera girl is going to do the honors for the past 2 videos, because why the past 2? Camera girl did not do post notification on her thank you video. So now we are going to pick up. So I'm going to throw you right over listening to camera girl doing post notification.
Okay, so for the second to last video, the post notification is sorry. First one is Marie E.
We got Marie E.
The second one is Eve Watson.
Eve Watson. Big up yourself. YVE Eve.
And then Evelyn Iris.
Evelyn. Enough love.
And then now for the last video, the first one is Marsha Gale.
Marsha Gale, we know you. Big ups.
The second one is Karen Drummond.
Karen Drummond, enough love.
And the third one is Terry King McKinney.
Terry King McKinney, blessed love. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. We do appreciate it. Right on the Jamaican cooking journey, family. So there you have it. Your cook curry mutton Jamaican style with me for my Tuesday camera girl, Tuesday dinner. Let me see who is gonna pick it up first in the post notification in the comment section. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support once more. We are heading on into 6K. Big up on yourself, and as we go, we will grow. So we are gonna go for now. Enjoy, eat with your eyes. Don't make baby mark. No drooling. This is a real deal. We have got the liver, the light, and the heart. I've got it like this. I'll show it. I think I'll do it in a video. I think on this channel. Show you how I'm gonna cook all 3 of them together. How you prepare to cook all 3 of them. Mind you, all 3 of them, they are 3 different nature. So, but I'll show you. I'll show you the heart, the light, and the liver. We have got it there. We have got the ram goat head to cook soup for you. Catch you in the next video on this camera. Ciao.